Hi, welcome. This is BetPayout. This is where we teach how to make money daily. So you are at the right place, guys. You are at the right place. Isn't it fun if you are paid for what you always do? Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to make money through the means that we always do by browsing. Now, on the website that I'm about to show you is going to pay you up to from $10 up to $100 daily just by browsing and by downloading their apps. Now, you can do this in anywhere in the world. It is all your choice if you want to be part of the service or not. But know that because you want to make a partial income, this is the best opportunity for you to make money whilst you are browsing. What you need is your gadget, either your laptop, your phone, and access to the internet, and you are good to make your money, guys. Very easy. So the first website is Join App Voice. So as you can see right on the screen, let's see how it works, guys, and this will amaze you. First of all, you have to install their app. It says after you sign up, just install the voice app browser extension. It is safe and easy to use. 2, browse. Visit support social media platforms you love. And then lastly, this is where the money making part is. Then you earn, guys. As you browse, App Voice captures the ads and gives you daily points that you can redeem as gift card. Now what they do is that as you install their extension right on your browser, they capture the ads that pop up as you browse. Now as you browse, each advert that they capture is given to you as points and later paid to you as gift card. Now let us check some of those gift cards. Now you offer a selection of gift cards worldwide, guys. So all these gift cards can be used worldwide, guys. Isn't this fun? It is very easy. Now all these gift cards can be used in anywhere in the world. Now they're asking, why should you join? As a member of the App Voice research community, the data you share makes everyone browsing experience better, guys, better. Now let's check what others are saying. Is that earn money from nothing, literally nothing, guys. So as I was saying, what you have to do is very simple. Use their app, just browsing, right? So if you as you are browsing with their browser, right, so you are being paid, so you earn points, guys. As you earn the points, they will convert those points to money for you, guys. Isn't this great? So very simple. You just need to sign up, but because of time and to make this video short, I wouldn't go through this thing with you. You can just do it on your own, guys. You can do it right on your own. Now the next website is qme.com, guys. Now the qme.com, just share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards, guys. So this is all about qme. qme is also a different website that will make you earn real cash, and you can simply install it either on the App Store if you're using Apple or iPhone, or Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Here it says earn cash, not swag or points. So here they pay cash out front. So this is what they do, guys. Earn cash by completing service anytime, anywhere. So not to waste time, guys, when you install the app, this is how it appears. and there'll be service that will be popping on your screen. So what you have to do is just do those service. That's all, guys. As you do those service, you are paid. So these are some of the service, right? Businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay you for it. No points, not swag, but cash. So when you perform those service, you earn cash back on great product. Enjoy your wallet being a little bigger at the end of the month, guys. So this is very simple. So look at the address, guys. Kill me. So install the app, join, and within some few minutes you receive the service that you have to perform. Now as you perform those service, guys, you are paid literally nothing. Now if this video, guys, interests you, kindly drop us a like. If this is your first time of being with us, as you are aware, join this family by clicking on the subscribe button so that you can be part of this family, guys, because here on this channel we post daily videos that help us by making money online. And share this to others so that your friends and families will also make money, guys. So note this, guys, you have to sign up. Now when you sign up, you will be given a link in your email and you have to confirm it, guys. When you confirm it, then you'll be part of the website whereby you can use your initials to sign in into their app. And as you are part of the app, that is only when you see those service, guys, those service. I was about to create a video for you to watch how it is done, but I told anything the video I'm creating. So sign up on your own. It's a very simple sign up that I believe you always do, right? That wouldn't take much of your time, guys. So always keep this in mind. This service a very simple service that you can do because it will come through product. So what you have to do is that you have to simply complete those tax on the product and you'll be paid for just doing nothing. In your spare time you can make your money, guys. So guys, thank you for watching to the end and expect a new video coming, guys. So catch you and see you later. Peace. Bye bye.